Hi, in this video, I'll explain how to create BOQ templates and organize them in one centralized location. To begin, go to the Template Center and click on BOQ. By default, we provide a set of BOQ items that cover almost all AEC industry requirements. You can find a wide range of BOQ materials and line items in this default library. If you want to create your own BOQ items, switch to My Items. Under My Items, you can see all the BOQ items that you have created. Before creating a BOQ item, you also have the option to manage your own categories. By default, we provide categories such as residential, religious, commercial, healthcare, institutional, and industrial. Under these, you'll find subcategories like RCC, PCC, plastering, waterproofing, structural works, and more, along with different types of work. To manage your own categories, click on Manage Category. Here, you can see all the categories already available in the system. Click on Add Category and enter a new category name. If the category already exists, the system will notify you. You can also create new subcategories and work types under the same category. Now, let me show you how to create a BOQ item. Click on Create New. Select the category and subcategory. From here, you can also create a new category if required. Enter the new category or subcategory name and click Add as New Item. Next, select the type of work. Enter the item name, add a description for the BOQ item, and choose how it should be displayed. Select the unit type, such as meters, millimeters, feet, or inches, and choose the required format. This can be length times width, width times height, length times height, or length times width times height, based on your requirement. Based on your selection, the display type will be shown accordingly. You can enter the dimensions and also upload an image related to the work. Scroll down to the rate analysis section. Here, you can define the rate analysis for this BOQ item. For example, if this is a grid false ceiling, you can enter the area and add material specifications. Enter the material name, quantity, unit, and rate. You can also apply tax if required. If you want to add more materials manually, click on Add Manual. Alternatively, you can directly add items from your inventory. Click on Add Product or Service and select products available in your warehouse. Once added, all materials and rates will be reflected, and you'll be able to see the grand total automatically. You can also see how the rate is calculated based on area and materials. Once everything is finalized, click Save to save the BOQ item. Now, let me show you an interesting feature: AI-powered BOQ creation. Click on Create New and select Write with AI. Here, enter a description of the BOQ item you want to generate. For example, enter something like 200 square feet grid false ceiling, including GI grid framework and related materials. You can adjust the creativity level to control how detailed the BOQ should be. Based on this, the AI will generate the BOQ item. As you can see, the AI generates material specifications, quantities, and units required for the work. If the output doesn't fully meet your expectations, you can modify the prompt and regenerate it. Once you're satisfied, click Insert to add the generated items. All the materials will be added automatically. You can remove any unwanted items. Add add additional line items, or edit the AI-generated content as needed. Enter the rates for each item. And don't forget to assign the correct category and subcategory. Once done, click Save. All the BOQ items you've created will now be listed here. You can edit or delete them anytime. You can also search BOQ items by name or description and filter them by category, subcategory, or type of work. Once created, these BOQ items can be used directly while creating estimates. You can further modify them at the estimate level if required. For more details, please refer to the estimate module video. This is how you can manage all your BOQ items in one place, and with the help of AI, the entire process becomes faster and easier. That's all for this video. Thank you.